To add the Expanse network on Metamask, start by opening the Metamask extension in your browser. If you do not have Metamask installed, you can download it from the official Metamask website. Once Metamask is open, click on the Add Network button. This will take you to the Add Network page where you will need to input the network details manually. In the network name field, enter Expanse Network. In the new RPC URL field, enter the Expanse Network RPC URL. The chain ID is a unique identifier for the network, so enter the Expanse Network chain ID. The currency symbol is the symbol for the cryptocurrency used on the network, so enter the Expanse Network currency symbol. You also need to enter the Block Explorer URL, which is the website where you can view the Expanse Network blockchain. After entering all the required details, click the Save button to add the Expanse Network to Metamask. You can now view your Expanse Network account balance and transaction history, as well as send and receive Expanse Network cryptocurrency. It is essential to ensure that you are using the correct RPC URL and chain ID to avoid any issues with your transactions. You can find the correct network details on the official Expanse Network website or through a reliable cryptocurrency information source. By following these steps, you can easily add the Expanse Network to Metamask and start using it to send and receive cryptocurrency. Always make sure to keep your Metamask wallet and private keys secure to protect your cryptocurrency.